EX9.1. This is from NCERT and question number 8. Right, we are doing application of trigonometry, the chapter, and from here we will do question number 8. What is given in the question? There's a statue and the height of the statue is given in the question as 1.6 meter tall, and that stands on the top of a pedestal. So let us suppose this is the height of the pedestal A, B. This is the height of the pedestal, and over this pedestal there is a statue, right? And let's say from A and up to C, this is the height of the statue, okay? And the height of the statue is given in the question as 1.6 meter. So let's say this is 1.6 meter. Now from a point on the ground, this is our ground, and there is a point, let's say D, and from this point it is given in the question that the angle of elevation of a top, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. So point A is the top of the pedestal and point C is the top of the statue. So for both of these points the angle of elevations are given, and they are 60 degree and 45 degree. So this angle is bigger than this one. So this is 60 and this one is 45. All this information is given in the question, right? Now what we have to do, we have to find out the height of the pedestal, right? We have to find out the height of the pedestal. Let's say this is h meters. Now we have to write what we have supposed in our question. So let AB is equal to height of the pedestal, and which we have supposed as h meter, right? And here AC is the height of the, this is height of the statue, and it is given in the question as 1.6 meter. Also these two angles are given, which we have already done in the figure. Now what we have to do, we again have to take the two right triangles here, we'll make the equation and solve for this h. So first it is the right angle, and now we'll take the first right triangle, and that is in right triangle ABD. In ABD we have this AB, and second one I'm taking with it is BD, and AB by BD for this angle is perpendicular by base, and perpendicular by base is the tan theta, and theta is 45, that's why it will be tan 45. So we have supposed AB as h here, and BD is we don't know, right? So we can suppose it as x. So we can take this h by x, as we know that the value of tan 45 is 1, so it will be 1. From here we can get an equation h equal to x. So this is our first equation. Leave it up to here because we cannot do anything ahead. Now we'll have to find the next right triangle, and that is, if you'll see the figure, the second right triangle we can take is in right triangle CBD, and we are taking BC by BD. So BC by BD, again BC for this angle is perpendicular and BD is base, and perpendicular by base is again, I'm saying tan theta, and theta is 60 degree. That's why tan 60. Now we know the value of tan 60. You should know the value of tan 60. It is root 3. So put here root 3, and BC is, see here from the figure, BC is divided into two parts. 1.6 and h AC plus AB. So I can write it as 1.6 plus h, right? And upon BD, and BD we have supposed as x. So this will be x. Now just cross it over, we'll get 1.6 plus h equal to root 3x. This is our equation number 2. But from here we have that x is equal to h, and because we have to find out the value of h, so I'm putting from equation 1 the value of x and put that here in equation number 2. So what I get, let's see. So from equation 1, put x equal to h in equation 2. Now what will happen here? If I put it as h, this one, so this will be 1.6 plus h and root 3h, right? Now I'm taking this h here, I'm collecting the same terms, that means the like term. 1.6 equal to root 3h minus h. What can we do here? Root 3h minus h. Can we take the common? Yes, we can take the common. So we'll have to take the common here. It will be h, and I will get inside the bracket as root 3 minus 1, and it is equal to 1.6. Now h will be 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1, and we'll see here the root in the denominator, so we'll have to rationalize it, rationalize the denominator, and after rationalizing, what we get, let's see, this will be h equal to 1.6 root 3 minus 1. So for rationalizing, we have to take the opposite sign, and that is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. This will be 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divide by a minus b, a plus b, and a minus b, a into a plus b. It is an identity, you all should know this. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So that's why here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 will be root 3 square minus 1 square, isn't it? So 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square means 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 1 square is 1, right? So one more thing I want to say, that you need not to multiply 1.6 inside the bracket. Wait till this whole denominator will be solved. It may happen that it may cut 1.6. If it will not cut 1.6, then you can multiply, or you can leave in the same form. Otherwise, now we have h as 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divide by 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you can cancel out 2 and 1.6. This will be 0.8, and the value of h is now 0.8 root 3 plus 1, and this is in meters. And what was h? H was the height of the pedestal. So therefore the required height of the pedestal is 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the required answer. Thank you.